Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, karibu sana. If you're family, thank you for sticking by. Today you're going to be doing this amazing braided ponytail, so kindly sit back, relax, and let's get started. I'll first detangle my hair using a wide tooth comb. This minimizes shedding, that's why I love it so much. Just see, no shedding at all. Next, I'm going in with my brush just to ensure that I've smoothened out my hair. Then I'll put my hair in a ponytail using a scrunchie or a hair tie. My hair is nice and secure. Now I'm going to be using my movit gel and apply to the perimeters of my hair. I just like using this gel because it's not a hard gel. My hair is already relaxed, so I don't need a lot of products. If you're natural, you know what to do. You have to use the styling gels to make your hair flat and sleek. I'll be using 1 pack of abuja hair. As you've noticed, I've tied my hair with a satin scarf just to lay it well. Then I'll be taking out the rubber band and replace it with a scrunchie. Ensure that the bottom piece of the hair are well aligned, that is, they're on the same length. Then attach your scrunchie. Next, we'll be taking out the scarf. Look, our hair is well laid. I love the way it appears. Then you're going to take our braid, attach it to my hair, then make a braid from it. That is plait a braid. Now roll your braid on your hair as you make adjustments just to achieve the kind of look and shape that you want for your ponytail. Then the rest of the hair, you'll attach it or you'll secure it with the bobby pins. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and let's meet on the next one. Bye guys.